Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video from Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Legacy ATR. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in mylegacyatr.com. It will take you to the official website of Legacy ATR. Once you are here, you can see the employee login at the top right corner. Click on the employee login. Once you do that, it will show the employee portal. Click on the employee portal. It will redirect you to the employee portal for Legacy ATR account, and once the page loads up, you can see the portal here. Enter the username of your account in the username box and password in the password box. And once you do that, click on the login button. You will be logged into your account on My Legacy ATR. And if you want to create an account or register your account, you can click here on Register. And in case if you guys forgot your login credentials, you can click here on Forgot Username or Forgot Password to reset it. So that's how you can log into your Legacy ATR account. That's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for the latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.